All right. Graphical solution of tan x is equal to k. And as I said earlier, we're not really doing a graphical solution, but I want to show you how to derive first the general solution for tan x is equal to k, where k is less than. This is not really true, you know, because tan can actually go up to infinity. So this is not really true. And tan can actually go to minus infinity. So this is not really true. This should have been k is less than or equal to infinity and greater than or equal to minus infinity. Because the tan of an angle can go up to infinity. The tangent of 90 is infinity, actually. So the tangent of k is, the tangent of x is equal to k. So the tangent of x is equal to k, it means that x is equal to tan, what's wrong with me? Is equal to tan inverse k. Now let us say that the first answer, or the answer in the first quadrant is, let us say, alpha. By assuming that, I'm assuming that that k is positive. All right, so let us assume that the answer in the first quadrant is alpha. Now, tan is also positive in the third quadrant. So if the answer in the first quadrant, so my solutions would be x is equal to alpha, first quadrant. The answer in the third quadrant is going to be 180 plus alpha. So this is pi plus alpha. Now, so within the first 360 degrees, these are my answers. The answer for the first quadrant and the answer for the third quadrant. Now, the second 360 degrees, now my next answer is going to be 2 pi plus alpha, which is 360 degrees plus alpha. And the next answer after that is going to be 3 pi plus alpha, then 4 pi plus alpha. This is again the first quadrant. Then 5 pi plus alpha. This is the third quadrant. And so from this, we can get the general solution of tan x is equal to k is x is equal to n pi plus alpha. The general solution is n pi plus alpha. Example 9 says, find the general solution of tan x is equal to 1. Now, if the tangent of x is equal to 1, x must be 45 degrees because the tangent of 45 degrees is 1. So I have tan x is equal to 1. So x is equal to tan inverse of 1, which is 45 degrees. 45 degrees is pi by 4. So the general solution will be x is equal to what? N pi plus pi by 4. That's in radians. In degrees, it would be 180 n plus 45 degrees, where n is an element of the set of integers. Let's have a look at 10. In 10, we're asked to find the general solution of 2 sine 2x is equal to cos 2x. All right, so we're asked to find a general solution for this. Here's how I would go about it. I would divide both sides by 2 cos x, 2 cos 2x. Divide both sides, the 2 cancels the 2. Now, sine 2x over cos 2x is actually tan 2x. So this is tan 2x. Cos x cancel cos x. This is a half. So tan 2x is equal to a half. Well, there's no special angle where the tangent of it is a half. So for this one, I'm going to write my answers in degrees. If tan 2x is equal to a half, it is because 2x is equal to tan inverse of a half. Now, tan inverse of a half, punching it in my calculator right now. Tan inverse of a half is 26.6 degrees. So my general solution, what I have now is what? 2x is equal to 180n plus 26.6 degrees. And if I divide the entire equation by 2, I'm going to get x is equal to 90n, 90 degrees n, plus this looks like 13.3 degrees. The general solution is 90 n plus 13.3 degrees. Of course, you could also try these 9.1 questions. Your homework is exercise 9, and you are to do the odd numbers.